Wait 2 minutes. Wait 2 minutes. Okay, today we'll discuss about AWS, AWS security groups and roles, how to use. Okay, this is suppose this is an EC2 instance. Okay, this is an EC2 instance. Okay, what is EC2 instance? Elastic Cloud Computing. Okay, Elastic Cloud Computing. Okay, Elastic Cloud Computing in AWS, there is some security groups available, that nothing but security groups, and NACL nothing but network access control list, and VPCs VPC. In the VPC consists of subnets. Okay. In this control list NACL, okay, like this VPCs. After this, availability zones. Okay, this is that things happen in this. Okay, suppose after this there is one security group is available. Okay, this is security group. Nothing but AWS SG. We can call it about AWS SG. I will font size 12. Okay, after this another security group, that is NACL. We can call it about NACL. You can call it about NACL. NACL. Okay, under this we can give the VPCs. Under this availability zones. Availability zones. Okay, suppose I have some instances. Assume that this is one instances, this is one instances, this is one instances. Okay, all these three EC2 instances have one group, that is security group. No, each instances have one group. All three instances have one group, that is security group. Okay, one instances have one security group, but multiple instances have multiple edges available. There is no impact. Okay, this is security group. This is application servers. EC2 all application servers, nothing but app servers. App servers have one security group available. For database, have some security group is available for databases. Okay, security group. These are security groups. This is EC2 DB means nothing but Oracle or DB2 or MySQL or SQL. Same thing. Here also same thing. Here also same thing. This is security group. Okay. Okay. Security groups. By default, security groups have no inbound rules is available. By defaults, SG have no default inbound rules, but outbound rules are available. Rules are available, but NACL have allowed both inbound and outbound rules. By default deny the rules. By default deny the rules. By default deny the rules. Okay, there are three types of rules. Three types of security groups, security networks. Suppose one is custom, second one is anywhere, third one is my IP. Okay, we can configure inbound and outbound rules. As per requirement. Okay, as per requirement. Suppose EC2 instances I will show you a sample example. This is my load balancer. Load balancer has security group. Okay. After load balancer, we can hit application servers by using protocols. HTTPS protocols. And this is the application servers, EC2 instance. This is security group. This is EC2 database. Okay, we can forward this. Like this. First hit NACL, then only security group we need to hit. First NACL inbound and outbound rules enable or not, security is enabled or not. This is my IP or custom IP or anywhere IP. We can use this configure based on the requirement. We can configure this. Okay, if checking that, after this VPC is checking VPC's subnets is availability zones. In the availability zones have default subnets are available: 1A, 1C, 1B, like that, 1C, 2B, like that. Available zones in the sub VPC have like this availability zones. I will show you practical. This is security rules. Okay, these are security rules. Rules or groups. Okay, this is load balancer. This is EC2 app. EC2 app. EC2 app. EC2 DB. EC2 DB. EC2 DB. Okay, and by using security rules, we can configure a custom or any. We can configure my IP address. Configure my IP address. We can give IP of public or private IPs. We can give here. So I am logging in AWS account. AWS console. I am logging in AWS console. In AWS console, EC2 instances is there. Based on the usage, we have to pay. And we have root account and we have MFA. We have download authenticate, Google authenticate, and we configure in earlier classes. Like this, we have entering AWS by using authentication services. I am go to EC2 instance. NA is running. There is no EC2 instance is running. Say by default security groups is available. This default. Okay, I am remove some security groups. VPC security group and permission entries. Say outbound rules. Okay. Delete security groups. Delete. See, following security groups cannot be deleted. They are either default groups or represented by other security group associated instance. Okay, cannot delete this. So I am created. So see, I am created the security rules here. See, traffic. All traffics are coming which IP, and it will see here custom TCP or custom protocol. HTTP and HTTPS we can raise, and here destination my anywhere IP4 IP6 my IP, like this we can use, and same thing like this we can identify. Suppose I am creating an instance, creating launch instance EC2 security groups. Okay, I have already key is available. I will use Amazon AWS Linux instance. I have already EC2 instance key pair is there in my desktop. This is the network. See, VPC is created. See, anywhere or custom or my IP, it will be there. SSH traffic means allow the traffic means multiple IP address. It will be as our applications by using IP address. This is the IP address automatically assigned. Anywhere custom is custom. We have assigned the custom IP. See, add like this. You can add the IP address. My IP address. Okay. Yellow HTTPS traffic from the internet. Yellow HTTP means there is no security, so we cannot enable this. This is the configure storage, and I will launch the instance. I will configure my own port number and IP address. Any doubts, ask me in the channel, in the comments box. See, there is network. See, network details. See, elastic IP address interface, network interface. This is public and private, and the subnets. VPC also created, and the subnets. Delete terminate is enabled, and the security groups and launch. This is wizard and NA. This is security groups I enable. Wait 1 minute. I will connect to Tajid. Okay. This is the rules, inbound and outbound rules. Inbound, by default outbound rules are disabled. Check edit inbound rules. We can add a rule, custom IP address. Okay, custom port number range. I will give 80 is the range. Or we can use my IP address. This is my IP address. And description. You can give security. Okay. Custom IP address or HTTP. We can give HTTP request, right? We can give HTTP. Okay. Enable. You can use my IP and 443 also you can use. Like that. Save changes. This is edit inbound rules, but NACL by default outbound rules are disabled. Now I have created new rule. See, this is outbound rules also allow. See, all traffic IP4 edit rule. I will open and I will configure here all traffic to my IP. Only custom IP 80 by default. Custom is here my IP address and security. Okay, and save changes this. Okay. Inbound and outbound rules are available, but NACL only allows inbound rule, and if we allow new security group, we have created new security group. Inbound rules, if we allow inbound rules, then only outbound rules are eligible. Otherwise, no need to eligible. I will show you the diagram, but I will show you one picture. EC2 security group AWS. This is, see, in this inbound rule, by using RDP protocol, remote to desktop protocol, we are accessing. That is 3389 already seen in this class, already seen in this yellow 80 and reset all DNS and RDP user to login all instances. But SSH consists of 22 port number. I will show you. I have witness CP. I will show you SSH port number and SFTP and AWS. Clearly, I will show you in the site. This is SFTP consists of port number is 22. Okay, but AWS S3 Linux by using Amazon Linux there is 443. TLS and SSL implicit encryption, but WebDev there is 443 and FTP 21 protocols and SCP 22 secure protocols and SFTP secure file transfer protocol, FTP file transfer protocol, S3 means buckets, S3 Amazon S3. See, you can access the keys and the secret key and normal keys you can generate by using in the account. You can generate access key ID and secret key ID. Okay, go to this account and go to the security credentials. You can generate. We have access key and all the things. See, this is my access key, right? This is the access key ID. This is my access key ID. And what is the here? What is asking? Access key ID. I will give access key ID. Secret access key. What is secret access key? Create access key. Continue. Create. This is my secret access key. Okay. So I will paste it here, and we have match the access key and secret key ID, then only we can generate. We can log in. Done. And we have download .csv and done. And we have login. See, I log in AWS account. See, this is the Elastic Beanstalk US West 2. We have login like this. And what is the folders? We have created EC2. We can open this. No folders are there. Okay, like this. We have connect AWS account like this. Okay. I will show you one more time. New tab. AWS. I will show you. See. I already know. Okay. I will delete. Deactivate it. Delete access key. Or I cannot delete. Okay. Can you like this inactive state. Yes, it's scared. Like this. We have delete security groups by using any options. Activate, delete. We can copy paste here key under delete option. And I will go to security groups. See here, this is the security groups I created earlier. So go to security. I am delete security groups or delete. See, I am deleting security groups by delete option. Inbound and outbound rules are available. Inbound rules and outbound rules available. And networking. This is the subnets. I am opening the subnets. In the VPC by default, while creating VPC by default, subnets in availability zones create automatically based on the availability zones. See VPCs. See, this is NACL, Network Access Control Protocol. This is all traffic. See, yellow or DNI options are there. Yellow means yellow, DNI means DNI. Edit Network Access Control Protocols. This is subnet ID. This is current network ACL. See, save means save, inbound, edit. Save changes, you can use 50 or 100, whatever it is. Yellow, DNI means DNI. You can use like this, save changes. Refresh. and save changes. NACL. This is the NACL ID. We have opened this. In NACL consists of 6 subnets and VPC ID and 2 bound rules, inbound to outbound rules. See, I shown right. In a NACL consists of inbound and outbound rules available by we have yellow. We have created new NACL. We have inbound and outbound rules are mandatory. Okay, but while creating security groups, there is no outbound rules are mandatory. See, I will show you here. Suppose I am creating new NACL must and should be in and outbound rules must, but SG have not required for outbound rules. By default, this is the certification question. By default, okay, now we have created EC2 instance. Shall we disable all DNI my SG group? This is the one of the certification question. No, by default it will be disabled. It will be DNI the security SG group. This is the one of the certification question, latest certification question, AWS. Okay, multiple EC2 instances have a security groups, only one security group, but each instances have, there is no security groups. All instances have a all instances have a one security group. Like this, okay. Like this, it will be arrows. This is a NACL and all the things, and how to log in, how to create security groups, how to create roles, how to assign IP address and all the things by using elastic IP address. All the things will be upcoming classes. VPC is shown upcoming classes, clearly discussing how VPC works in real-time scenarios. We will see in upcoming class. Okay. This is the overview, and this is thick. Okay. See, delete the rule if you want to deny the protocol. Any brand new edge in all outbound rules are deny. Any new edge, all outbound rules are deny. Same thing I discussed. Outbound rules are allowed, but inbound rules are deny. Outbound rules are allowed. Suppose we are going to any supermarket, security checks for entering the market. That is the security group. That is inbound. The new person is there. We can check the inbound rules there. That is the thing happened in the scenarios. The security group are stateful and NACL are stateless protocols. We can configure. See, if you allow any protocol inbound rule, you must say allow outbound rules also, that is stateless. See, I already seen here NACL inbound and outbound rules for new NACL. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, ACL network access control list. This is the ID of access control NACL ID. Consists of 6 subnets, one VPC. This is the VPC ID. Each VPC consists of 6 subnets because based on the availability zones. This is the owner ID, my account ID. This is the subnets. See, I will open C. Second one. NACL ID. But how to identify the tag? By using the tags, we can easily identify the instances or any resources in the EC2 in Amazon AWS. Okay, we have configured DHCP, elastic IP, gateway, root table, your VPCs. Like this, create VPC. See, tags. I have no tag, so we can easily not remember. Go to your VPCs. This is, we have generate the tags. My VPC. Save. See, my VPC. This is the VPC we can identify, or we can identify VPC ID and the state. State means available. Can delete VPC. Unable to delete because subnets. We can delete subnets. Then only we can delete. Like that. Okay. This is the thing happen. Delete. First, we need to stop the EC2 instance, then only go to EC2. Select state, terminate the state. I am logging here, automatically logout. See, close. See, automatically logout is, this is the access key. Okay. Like this, we can delete first subnets, then network deleted, all the things. Like that, we can delete. Okay. Thank you for watching this. We can next topic, we can come up with a next good topic. I will share this. Okay. Please watch and share to your friends. Please subscribe the channel. Okay. I will stop streaming.